There's just so much to show her, to tell her. I don't know where to start. What is it, Lassie? Right! Pictures! Aunt Kim's never seen the hot springs, or that grizzly, or this, or this. Come on.
Here I come, my little Zoe darling. Zoe, your Aunt Kim's not due for another hour.
I know. I just want to be ready when she gets here.
I know, honey. Let me help you.
Somebody help!
Sorry, we didn't mean to wake you.
What's all the hubbub?
Zoe's Aunt Kim is coming to visit.
Don't know her.
Zoe went to visit her in Peru last year. She's flying into the park today.
Nope, doesn't ring any bells.
Last time she was here, she brought you a box of chocolates.
Ah! That Aunt Kim? Why didn't you say so? She always was my favorite. You will make sure she puts the box right there, won't you? Please?
We'll see. You know, Kim has work to do before she gets here.
I know, but if she's still in her plane, it won't hurt to call her, will it?
I'm sure she'd love to hear from you. Grand Mountain Wildlife to Charlie Zulu Echo 3338. Do you read? Grand Mountain to Charlie Zulu Echo 3338. Kimmy, it's Sarah.
Huh?
Not reading you. Are you reading me? She must be having trouble with her radio. But you hear that click? It's a yes. Are you close? Do you want to talk to her?
Hi, Kim. I can't wait till you get here.
You know, Kim is flying into the backcountry before coming into the valley. If you head up to the Diamond Lake trailhead, you can see her as she goes by.
Huh? Woohoo!
Whoa!
Yay!
Is your aunt here?
Almost. Lassie!
Hey! Wait up!
Zoe's on her way up. Kim?
Then we took the kayaks and paddled right up to a pod of whales. Whales! Oh, and then there was that time we camped on Diamond Lake, and it rained and rained and rained. Remember that, Lassie? And then on the Templepata River, she took me swimming with piranha.
That's incredible.
Mom said Kim had to make a stop in the mountains, so she'll take this canyon into the valley. What is it, girl? What's got into you?
Okay, Zoe. What you need to know is up Loon Creek, there's an airstrip.
So?
So I'm sure Kim's okay.
What is it? What are you talking about? That's smoke! It's Kim! She must have crashed! Harvey, what are we going to do?
We're going to go up there. I'm sure she's all right. Come on, I know the way.
Hey, it's Sarah. Is Graham in the office or is he in the field?
He's in the field.
Can you get him on the radio? I think we have a problem.
Come on, it'll be quicker this way.
Zoe, it's okay. I'm sure Kim made it to the airstrip. This is Loon Creek.
Then we're close.
The airstrip's on the other side.
How are we gonna get there? If we take a trail, it'll take 2 hours. We have to find a solution.
Okay, we'll just go back the way we came
I got
and...
a better idea.
Huh? Zoe, wait! Maybe there's another way.
We're almost there. Come on. Come on.
Oh, well, right? That's cold!
Come on, Lassie. Come on, girl. What is she doing? What are you doing, girl?
That's the Loon Creek Trail. My mom told me it runs straight to the airstrip.
Kim?
I tried to get Kim on the radio. No go, even from the airport.
What do we do?
I think she's fine, but we'll know better after you've taken a look at a deer I found.
How does a deer have anything to do with Kim?
I just need you to tell me what you see. It may lead us to Kim.
Okay, one expert opinion coming up.
Lassie's found her! Jam! Oh no! Jam! Jam! Kim! She's not here!
Then she's okay.
Kim? Kim! But where'd she go?
Zoe?
What?
Did your mother say what Kim was doing in the park?
No, just that she was dropping something off in the backcountry.
Kim walked away from the crash, but so did whatever she was carrying.
What are you talking about? That's a big cage. What do you think was in there?
I don't know. but it's out here now.
Graham, that deer was attacked by a cougar. You think it's the cougar Kim was bringing back into the park?
Yeah, it's been weeks since anyone's seen a big cat around Diamond Lake. And that's the way Kim would have headed into the backcountry. My bet is she was trying for the strip at Loon Creek.
Zoe and Harvey went up to the Diamond Lake lookout.
Then they're up there too.
Can you take the helicopter?
Definitely.
Kim? Okay. Have you fixed the radio?
No, but I did make it do this.
Harvey, stop it!
Sorry, guess that's one of those sounds animals don't like.
No kidding. This is weird.
What do you mean?
Kim was here.
Then why'd she leave the plane?
She had to leave the plane because of whatever was in that cage.
So, she's probably hiking to the valley.
No. Kim always told me when you get lost, the last thing you do is move.
Huh?
It's something she taught me in Peru. When you're lost, you find a landmark and stay there till help comes. And there's no better landmark around here than the plane.
She's not anywhere around here.
Let's find out. Kim!
Hello, Zoe.
I knew you were all right. I just knew it.
Of course I'm all right. Any landing you can walk away from is a good one. Hello, Harvey. Nice to finally meet you.
You know who I am?
Zoe writes about you all the time.
I might have mentioned you once or twice.
Lassie, still keeping everyone safe?
Huh?
I know, girl. I know. Lassie can smell the cougar.
That's what was in the cage?
Yes. It's a problem cat. Kept wandering into the city. They had me trap it, and I was supposed to release it in the backcountry. But you know how that went. Come on. I got a good place to hide until help arrives.
No. Let's tape up your ankle and get you out of here.
I don't think we can take the time. It's not safe out here in the open.
Sure we can. Right, Harvey?
Right.
It doesn't work.
Maybe not as a radio, but it should work as cougar repellent.
That's genius.
Yeah, he gets that a lot.
Wow.
Zoe's told me all about you. You've done some pretty amazing things.
I used the foam from the headrest in the plane.
You know, Harvey, I have been a lot of places, but it seems like you two are pretty seasoned adventurers yourselves.
Guess that's it for the battery.
We should go.
The trail picks up on the other side. Once we cross the creek, we can take it straight home.
Sounds good to me.
It's him!
He knows I'm hurt. When he comes after me, you guys run for the plane. Lock yourselves in.
No, we're not leaving you!
Go!
Lassie! Lassie, no!
Don't! It's too dangerous.
Run, Lassie, run!
It's Dad! Lassie!
Zoe, don't!
Zoe!
You got him, girl! You got him!
Zoe!
Dad! I'm so glad to see you!
Are you all right?
Yeah!
What happened to the cougar?
Lassie put it back in his cage.
Lassie did?
Yep.
I guess I shouldn't be surprised.
Nothing these guys do should surprise you. They saved me, patched me up, and caught the cougar.
With Lassie's help.
I'll radio the airport and get someone up here to pick up the cougar.
Good. I'd like Sarah to take a look at him. Come on, let's get you all home. Go! I need my bag.
I'll get it!
Careful, they're chocolates in there.
And then the cougar was right there on the rocks above us, and there was nothing we could do. Then he leaps right at Kim, and Dad swooped down in his helicopter and saved Lassie. And then Lassie got the cougar back in its cage and locked it herself.
So now you know what happened.
Hopefully the cougar's all right now. Here you go.
You know, every time I come here, and especially today, I remember what an amazing family you guys are.